Hey guys, I'm Katie with the Electric family, and today we are going to do a quick install on this RVLeveler Pro from Rhino Storm. We were sent this by Rhino Storm to test it out and see how it worked. We previously had a LevelMate Pro, and we sold the camper that we had installed that on and sent the LevelMate Pro with that camper. So when we got our Airstream, we thought it would be a great time to test out this RV leveler. It works very similarly to the LevelMate Pro. So we're gonna kind of walk you through the installation and show you how it works. So let's take a look.
First thing to mention is that they do have a money back guarantee on this. So if you do not like it or it doesn't work well for you, you can return it within 90 days to get your money back. So in the box you get the leveler, and it does come with batteries. And then you get screws or adhesive, depending on how you want to attach it to your camper. We'll probably just do the adhesive just because it's super simple and less permanent than putting in the screws. And then you've got your user manual that tells you the app to get and how to get it all set up, which it seems pretty simple. The app is available on the App Store and it's free to download. And once you have the app downloaded, it will just walk you through the steps that you need for the installation process. You will need to enable Bluetooth so that the leveler can communicate with your phone. And one tip we would have is to make sure that you turn on the leveler just before you're ready to connect, but make sure it is all the way fully on, or it may fail the first time like it did for us. But once we had it on and going, it connected really quickly and easily. And from here, the app just walks you the rest of the way through setting it up, including what you should do and when, so it is pretty self-explanatory. Once you reach this step, you are ready to install the leveler unit itself on your camper. The two most important things are making sure that you have the unit facing the right direction, which they give you a good diagram for that, and also that your camper itself is level. It doesn't matter quite as much that the leveler unit is level on the wall as it is that your camper itself is level. We did our best to try to get the leveler unit to be level, but it does not have to be perfect to get the camper level. So we got it installed, facing the right direction, and we're ready to continue setup. And once you hit that keep level button, you are ready to go. You just turn on the unit and connect every time you need to level.
So this guy seems to be a great little leveling system. Easy to use, easy to install. We have had no complaints using it a couple times so far this season. We can't wait to use it more to help make our lives a little bit easier when we're pulling into the campsites. We will have a link in the description below so you can grab one if you are in need of a leveler for your camper. One tip we have is that if you're using the app on two different phones, make sure to set level on both phones. We did not do that the first time we went to use it, and I had not set level on my phone, and we had pulled into a campsite and we realized that you needed to set level on both phones. But the app is just really great to use, and it's a great little leveler. So thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.